Why don't you get it by now?
Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Now guys, today's video is just super exciting for me and a very long time coming, but by the title of this video you guys would already see what this video is going to be about. And yes, your girl is finally leaving Nigeria, finally traveling out of the country after 8 years. Now if you are new on my channel, if you don't know, my last trip out of the country was in 2014, and that was the UK. That was the last time I left the country. I haven't traveled between then and now, just for different reasons, financial reasons, commitment reasons, like just a whole bunch of reasons. And I said to myself that this year it is going to be different. This year I will go on not even one trip, maybe not even 2 trips, maybe like 3 trips, okay? And this is just going to be the first of those 3, by God's grace. Let's see how that goes. But yeah guys, I'll be traveling, all right? And it's going to be a girls trip. That's even the most fun part of all of this. It is going to be a girls trip. You guys would see them, you know, as the trip progresses. You guys will see them, but this vlog is basically just to let you guys know and also involve you guys in my travel preps and all of that. This is super exciting. I will not be saying where I'm traveling to just yet. You guys probably see that in the next vlog, so just help me guess in the comment section down below what you think I'm traveling to. Okay, give me your guesses in the comment section. That'll be fun. That'll be really fun. It's a different feeling when you are planning a trip all by yourself, like your own money, your own resources, your own everything. It's a whole different feeling. Anything that you do with your own money for yourself, trust me, it is a whole new feeling. When I got my car, the same feeling I had when I got my car with my hard-earned money, it's the same feeling I'm having now that I'm traveling with my hard-earned money. But yeah, that's it. My trip is just a few days away. At this point now it's like 3 days away, and of course we have to put some certain things in place. One, we have to glam up. You guys know there's no trip you're gonna go that you will not glam up. So I'm going to glam up, and this vlog is proudly sponsored by Lush Hair. Okay, Lush Hair, steady paying the bills, steady putting the lights on, steady just providing for us to be able to go on trips like this. Okay, but anyway, I'm going to be braiding my hair today, and I'm going to be using a color that is so exciting, like so exciting. Let me show you guys. So these are the extensions I'm going to be using today. You guys can see they are a nice dusty pink color. In fact, it says here is in the color rose gold. You guys know I've done pink hair before, courtesy of Lush Hair, but that was more of a Barbie pink color. This is more of a rose gold dusty pink color. I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed. But I'm going to be mixing it. I don't want it to be too out there, so I'm going to be mixing it with a darker shade. I'm going to be mixing it with this one. This one is in the color 4, just to tone it down a little bit. But I'm super duper excited for this hairstyle today. This of course is their wild braids. Like I said before, this is their wild braids in the color rose gold, and this natural color in color 4. They actually sent me 3 of these, but I reserved one because I want to do like an all back stitch braids thing much later. But I feel like this 2 and then this one will be enough for this hairstyle. So yeah, today is glam up day. I'm going to get my hair done. I'm going to get my nails done. I'm trying out a new salon today. Well, technically it's not a brand new salon. It's gonna be my first time just going there today. And yeah, I'm gonna braid my hair there, get my nails done. I'm also going to run some errands because Mia Rose will be starting school while I'm away. So I need to put all of that in place before eloping. I have to go get her 1 or 2 school supplies. I might also check out someplace else to pick up a few things, just random errands and all of that. You guys would see. And yeah, without further ado, let's go guys. We're wasting too much time. We're talking too much. Let's go.
Going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. So this is a day after I got my hair done. Let me just say that the execution of this hair, like, can you guys see the beauty of this hair? Can you see the beauty of this hair? Okay, it was so well done, like it was so well braided. I haven't had my hair this well braided in a very long time. I can't even lie. I absolutely love it, and I love how flat these days that we are getting flat braids and all of that. I absolutely love it. And can we talk about this color, guys? See here, I feel like Lush Hair is that one hair extension company that has such a wide range of colors. I swear, like in the salon, people were just asking like, oh my god, the color of this hair, oh my god, the color of this hair. Like, it was just crazy. I didn't even know that when I mixed that rose gold and color 4, it would look like this. It's giving hints of gray, but it's not gray. Like, do you get my point? I absolutely love this. I love the color. You guys know Lush Hair, soft, super soft, super shiny. They barely even put any cream or oil on these extensions. It's already shiny from the pack. Okay, you don't even need to do all of that. It's so lightweight. I can barely feel like I'm carrying anything on my hair, despite the hair being up to this place. Can you guys see? I can barely feel like I'm actually carrying hair. Super durable, so beautiful, very affordable as well, and it is so hot water friendly. You guys saw I got the goddess braids done, and it involves, of course, twisting it and putting it inside hot water for you to achieve these coils, and it is so hot water friendly. Like, the coils came out so beautifully well. This is my vacation hairstyle. Okay, I'm fully dressed now because I'm going for a wedding. Today is Wednesday, guys, but there is a wedding today, not just traditional wedding, like a church wedding today, and I love that it's a weekday wedding. I absolutely love that. So I'm fully dressed because I'm heading there now. All I have to do now is to wear my outfit, wear my earrings, and you guys will see the complete look most definitely. So yeah, guys, let's go. I'm not sure I will take my vlogging camera, just because, to be honest, I don't really feel like vlogging this wedding. I probably will just go with my phone if I have to show you guys any clips from the wedding, but going with this camera, I will not do that. So anyway, let's go. Oh, by the way, my nails, did you guys see my nails as well? It's about to be lit. Okay guys, I just got here, but my friend Hamsatu that has my access card is not yet here. She is doing the desserts and the wedding cake for this wedding, and she's not yet here, and she has my access card. So I'm contemplating now whether to sit in the car and wait until she gets here, or just go to the front of the reception hall and hope that I just gain entry somehow, because Abuja weddings are very serious when it comes to access cards. So anyway, that's that. I can't show you guys my full outfit because as in, I don't know how I'm going to show you guys the full outfit. Very short dress, so this dress is very short, but I'm wearing low heels because the dress is short and I'm not about to be showing my uku to everybody. So I am just wearing low heels. This is my pink, this ones that I got from Shein. You guys know this. I think I'll just, since my heels are low, I think I'll just go to the front of the reception hall and hope that this is ICC. But do you guys know how ICC is? The National Conference Center. You guys know how it is. It's always crowded. I thought I was early, but this place is filled up. Let me go to the front and just see what it's like there. If it's too much wahala, I'll just come and wait in my car until my friend gets here. So anyway, that's that. Let's go.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. That's how we stay alive. They keep on telling lies,